नमस्कार, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर पूर्वा शर्मा है, कंसल्टेंट गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, हीलिंग हॉस्पिटल, चंडीगढ़. For every woman who wanted to become pregnant or who wants to experience motherhood, for her the news of confirmation of pregnancy is a big thing. जैसे ही किसी लेडी को पता चलता है कि वो प्रेग्नेंट है, वो एक लाइफ चेंजिंग इवेंट होता है लाइफ का. बट जैसे जैसे प्रेगनेंसी आगे बढ़ती है तो कुछ छोटी छोटी एंग्जाइटीज़ हर फीमेल के दिमाग में आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. कभी स्ट्रेस होता है, कभी टायर्डनेस फील होती है. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम डे बाय डे एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं ड्यूरिंग द अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी. बट देयर आर सर्टन डूज एंड सर्टन डोंट्स जो अगर हम फॉलो करते हैं अपने इनिशियल प्रेगनेंसी में तो हमारी जर्नी बहुत हैप्पी और हेल्दी निकल सकती है. So we'll discuss about certain do's and certain don'ts in the early pregnancy in this session. First, let me tell you about certain things that you should do and follow during your early pregnancy days. The first and foremost of which is be thankful. Have a positive mindset, have a positive attitude. ईश्वर का धन्यवाद करिए कि जिस चीज़ के लिए आप इतने टाइम से तरस रहे थे या चाहे नहीं भी तरस रहे थे बट वो आपको इन इटसेल्फ मिल गई है, वो आपके साथ एक्चुअली हो गया है, उसके लिए थैंकफुल होइए. Feel blessed that you have been given an opportunity to experience parenthood, to feel the joy of parenthood. Second thing, which is another important thing, is focus on your folate requirements. आपने देखा होगा जैसे ही आपकी प्रेगनेंसी पॉजिटिव आती है, जो फर्स्ट थिंग आपका डॉक्टर आपको करके देते हैं इज दे प्रिस्क्राइब फॉलिक एसिड टू यू, बिकॉज फॉलिक एसिड इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट इज नीडेड इन अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी एंड बिकॉज इट प्रिवेंट्स फ्रॉम टू मेजर डिफेक्ट्स दैट कैन अकर इन योर फीटस बिकॉज ऑफ फॉलिक एसिड डेफिशिएंसी लाइक स्पाइना बाइफिडा एंड एनेन्केफेली. So you have to be sure that you take the folic acid prescribed by your doctor on a regular basis, on a timely basis. Another thing that you have to do is included in your do's list is it goes by the phrase eat the rainbow. What does that mean? Not literally eating the rainbow. It means try to consume things which are richly colored like yellow bananas, red apples, blueberries, and red and orange carrots, green spinach. So all these are things, they are richly colored because they have certain antioxidants and micronutrients which are important for your immunity. And there are two benefits. एक तो ये कि आपकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होगी, आपको एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स और न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेंगे, और दूसरा ये अगर हम ट्रेडिशंस को फॉलो करें, उनको माने, तो योर बेबी विल बी एक्सपोज टू अ वैरायटी ऑफ फूड्स इन द इंट्रायूट्राइन लाइफ एंड मे बी ही और शी हैज़ ईज इन एक्सेप्टिंग देम इन हिज लाइफ टाइम. So this is another thing that you should be doing. And next thing is take adequate amount of sleep. So see, it is normal to be tired during pregnancy. ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत फीमेल्स को लगता है कि मैं बड़े अच्छे से काम करती थी, आई वुड वर्क फॉर 8 hours एट अ स्ट्रेच, बट आजकल मैं बहुत जल्दी थक जाती हूँ. एम आई नॉट वेल? वॉट इज़ गोइंग रॉन्ग विद मी? इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. It is normal to feel tired during your pregnancy because your body is growing through a big lot of change. The body is preparing itself for a new life inside it. Apart from the body changes, your mind is at a stress. You are going through a big emotional and hormonal change. So it is normal to be stressed. It is normal to be sleepless. It is normal to feel depressed at times. But that needs a break. So keep giving yourself a break from your tight schedule. Keep taking naps in the daytime. Take at least good 8 hours of sleep at night time and 2 hours of a nap in between your work in the daytime. That relaxes your body, relaxes your mind, and gives you breaks to recover. Then you also need to know that you should be properly hydrated. Hydration is important because it helps you combat headaches. It helps you prevent UTIs. It maintains your energy level. You feel fresh. So keep taking liquids at regular intervals. Another very important thing is don't shy away from asking for help. So what happens with most females in the early pregnancy, they are very shy. They will keep going through some particular problem and they will feel कि शायद ही सबके साथ होता होगा इसलिए मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है, and they'll try to linger on this way a good span of time till it becomes a big problem for them. So even if you have a very small problem that is going around in your body or your mind, feel free to discuss it with your doctor, take help. Discuss with somebody elderly in the family so that they can guide you what to do, but don't Google it, because what happens is when you try to Google your small ailments, you find out number of reasons for it, which could be very big reasons also, and then you end up in another set of stress. So it's always good to take help, ask your doctor, or particularly there is something that you think which is important to be disclosed to your doctor, some previous history which you think you are not comfortable telling in front of your family members or other people, then you can always ask for privacy with your doctor, and then you can discuss with the doctor. Maybe that very minor thing could be of big importance during your present pregnancy. So don't shy away from that. Another thing that you should be doing, which I missed out, is exercise. So light exercise, low impact exercises like yoga and walk are always helpful during pregnancy, and especially in all trimesters. But you need to take guidance of your doctor or physiotherapist so that you know how you have to do it, whether you are fit to do it or not fit to do it. But then keep a habit of being active and do something that fights with your insomnia. If you are sleepless, you will be tired. That releases good hormones, so you will feel healthy, energized and stress free. So these were certain do's that you should be following during your pregnancy. अब कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपको नहीं करनी है प्रेगनेंसी में, जैसे पहला बहुत important, don't smoke. So with changing times, we've seen that females are getting into a habit of smoking, and any amount of smoking, it is not good in pregnancy. And any day that you think that you get to know that you are pregnant, you have to quit smoking. And believe me, it is the best time to quit this habit of smoking, right? So smoking, actually, why it is a big no? Because it has a lot of detrimental effects on your developing fetus. जैसे कि the baby can have in the beginning you can have increased chances of miscarriages. उसके बाद बेबी को कुछ डेवलपमेंटल डिफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, ग्रोथ डिफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, इंटेलेक्चुअल डिफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, बेबी खुद निकोटिन डिपेंडेंट हो सकता है. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सच बेबीज हैव अ टेंडेंसी ऑफ देमसेल्फ बिकमिंग निकोटिन और स्मोकिंग एडिक्ट्स इन देयर लेटर लाइफ्स, बिकॉज उनको जो प्रेगनेंसी में फिजियोलॉजिकल लेवल ऑफ निकोटिन मिलता है उससे डिपेंडेंस बन जाती है. सो स्मोकिंग इज़ अ बिग नो. Then another common question comes, alcohol. So this is tricky because some people say no amount of alcohol is acceptable in pregnancy. Some people say some particular amount of alcohol or wine is acceptable. But to my personal choice, what I would like to suggest you, alcohol is a big no, because it again has its detrimental effects on the developing fetus, especially in the first trimester or in any trimester. If you've been taking alcohol, it can affect the growing fetus, the intellectual abilities, the developmental abilities. There are certain birth defects, specifically the facial feature defects can occur in a fetus who's developing in a female who has been consuming alcohol. So this is commonly termed as a fetal alcohol dependence syndrome in a clinical language. So it definitely has a big spectrum, and you should not be taking alcohol during your pregnancy. Try to quit it. If you are not able to quit smoking and alcohol, try to take help. It is always good to take help from your doctor. They can guide you where to go, what to do. Even I would like to mention a concept of e-cigarettes has come up. So people think e-cigarette is a good substitute for the cigarettes. No, that itself is also not a good substitute. During pregnancy, e-cigarettes are also a no. Another thing that you shouldn't be doing in your pregnancy is excessive caffeine. So most of us are not really addicted, but we have become habitual of caffeine. We have to have tea or coffee. So I would not say it would be bad if I say कि आप पूरी तरह उसे बंद कर दो, क्योंकि then your body functioning will go down. Obviously आपको अपनी energy levels भी maintain करना है. So but you have to minimize your level of caffeine intake. Some guidelines say that some 2 cups of coffee in a day is okay during first and second trimester, and but beyond that can have detrimental effects again on your developing fetus, increased chances of miscarriages. Then there is another thing in the today's world, like you shouldn't be going too frequently to sauna, hot tubs, whirlpools, steam chambers. So these are also a no, because they say it increases your core body temperature, and that increased core body temperature again has a bad effect on the growing fetus. उसकी वजह से अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी मिसकैरेजेस के चांसेस भी बढ़ सकते हैं. अनदर कॉमन नोशन दैट पीपल हैव, दैट विमेन हैव, कि हमें अब 2 लोगों के लिए खाना खाना है. आई हैव अ फीटस डेवलपिंग इनसाइड. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू डोंट हैव टू ईट फॉर 2 people. Eat for yourself. Take small, frequent, spaced meals. That suffices your requirements, and that is sufficient. So try to keep your lifestyle healthy and happy during the first trimester. That is very important. That paves a pathway to a healthy delivery. And my best wishes to all of you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Namaskar.